In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a coupon to your Alibaba account efficiently. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you're able to make the most out of your shopping experience. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Alibaba website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Alibaba website URL, or simply searching for Alibaba in a search engine. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen where the profile icon is generally located. Click on this icon to proceed to your account's profile section. After clicking on your profile icon, a drop-down menu or a new page will appear, and from here, you'll need to select My Alibaba. This section serves as your personal dashboard on Alibaba, where you manage your orders, account settings, and more. Upon entering the My Alibaba section, look for the Orders tab. This is where you'll find all your past and current order information. Under the Orders tab, you'll find another option labeled Coupons and Credit. Click on this to view all the active coupons you have available on your account. This area aggregates all your discount offers, making it a simple task to see what savings are at your disposal. Now here's the crucial part, activating your coupon. Once you're on the Coupons and Credit page, you'll see a list of your eligible coupons. Identify the active coupon you intend to use and simply click on it to activate it. Activating the coupon ensures that it will be applied to your next eligible purchase automatically, so you won't need to manually enter a code at checkout. It's a great way to save time and ensure that you're maximizing your discounts. Make sure your coupon is still valid and check if there are any terms and conditions you need to be aware of, like minimum purchase requirements or expiry dates. And that's it. Once you've activated your coupon, you're all set. You have successfully prepared your Alibaba account to utilize this available discount on your upcoming shopping spree. Remember, it's always a good idea to regularly check the Coupons and Credit section for any new available offers to ensure you're not missing out on potential savings. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage and maximize your coupons on Alibaba, ensuring a smoother and more cost-effective shopping experience. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to enhance your online shopping and other digital platforms. Happy shopping!